Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and we're gonna jump right into it. We are at the thrift store right now. We are about to make a custom denim 50 shades of gray two-piece skirt set. So y'all, I got like 5 pairs of pants for like 26 bucks at the thrift store. You can't beat it. But this is the skirt. I didn't do a detailed video because I already got one up. I'll try to link it at the top right here for y'all to check it out if y'all interested. But I had a bra cup. I cut it down the middle like so, and we're gonna go ahead and use the bottom of the pants. Like, I can't believe I used this one pair of pants to make the main outfit, like the top and the skirt. You should have 2 of these, and we're going to go ahead and fold them right sides together and sew just this area right here. Y'all, I thought it was going to be a little more complicated, but it was pretty simple. First time doing something like this, and I definitely love the outcome of everything. And y'all, it's been forever since I gave y'all a DIY. I'm trying to start coming back and doing more, but it's like just doing everything, it just be, oh my god, y'all, it'd be so much. But this is what they should look like. So you're going to take the pants and cut off the bottom part right here, and as you can see, I had marked mine because you want to line it up on your body to see where, well, basically get the length of how long you want yours to come down. But I wanted a little of my stomach out, so yeah. So now you're going to place it like this, and as you can see, I didn't like lay it down flat. I kept it up like this, and we're going to just go ahead and cut around it. Okay, so after we cut that off, you should have something that looks like this. And it's okay if the top parts are too long, you can always cut them off later, but you want to make sure you find the center of each of the bra cups and place them where you need to, and then you're going to go ahead and sew those around right sides together like so. And y'all, this is what it should look like. Super cute. This is the front. So we're going to go here, right here, and I am hemming up the top of the little corset part. So right here I didn't double hem because like I said, this was kind of a last minute project, and it really didn't have to be perfect. I had other projects I was working on as well, so I was just really trying to get it done. So I could have double hemmed it to give it a more firm look up there, but I went ahead and just pressed it, and you can even tell because the jeans was really stretchy. So once I stretched it, it was all good. Okay, y'all, so the bottom of mine is folded like that because I went ahead and made it a little shorter because it was a little too long. So now what you want to do is take the other half and kind of measure it out to your front piece just so you can get the same length, and you're going to go ahead and cut that seam out so you can have 2 pieces like so. Before you sew down the sides, you want to go ahead and hem up the top first. So this is me hemming it, and of course what you do to one side you do to the other, and then we're going to go ahead and sew those down on the sides like so. Line everything up properly, pin it, and sew it down. Okay, y'all, so I did that. So now we're hemming up the bottom of the skirt, and this is the hemming that I wanted to do at the top, but unfortunately, like I said, I ain't had time for that. So you see how nice and firm this hem is, nice and thick. And then right here, I'm sorry y'all if the video is going super fast, but these are my strings that I am going to use in the back. Well, my string And as you can see, I folded them in, and I did it again for the ones that didn't catch it the first time. If you need to pause, rewind it, do so. And we got the perfect little strap. So right here, look very closely. As you can see, that's about 1 inch right there, right? So we're gonna go ahead and cut that, like, yep. And we're gonna need about 10 of those because I did 5 on each side. And I didn't want them a clean look. I wanted the nice distressed look like that to give it a different little look, you know, get a little umph to it or whatever. So now you want to go ahead and sew these down, and I did not sew them on the back to cover up all the stitching and stuff. I sewed it on the top because I wanted to give, like I said, that distressed look. So that's what you see me doing. So if you want yours to be more of a cleaner look, sew it on the opposite side. So this is what it's looking like, and just this is me threading everything up. This is what it's looking like. I gotta press the top, but this is what the back looking like. Cute. Now we're gonna just cut out random little pieces from the other pants. So y'all, this skirt I did not use. Look at Polo, so cute. We was up late. But this skirt I did not use like a lot of patchwork, a lot of detail. I just did a little splash here and there, and it came out so cute. Like, y'all, I didn't get super detailed in the patchwork because I've done a video like this before. So I yeah, make sure y'all watch that one if y'all need. If y'all have any questions or anything, let me know. So right now I'm basically gluing all the stuff that I'm gonna glue, and certain things I did sew. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do after that. And this pocket right here that I'm sewing down, I was still actually able to use it, so that's convenient. Put my lip gloss in there or something. And then I went ahead and put a SC on there. I did not get into detail because, like I said, this is a last minute video, and I did the best that I could for y'all. I went ahead and distressed around the SC for SUZIE collection, and that's about it. This is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. I love, love, love it. Do y'all like glasses or no glasses? Comment down below, and make sure y'all follow and like for more videos like this, and watch me work. Don't make me get you back. I say bounce that shit like whoa. Bounce that shit like whoa. This is not a fairy tale. I already know how you like it. Take you to the mall and get you a new outfit. Girl, that's just some child's play. Bounce that shit like. Yeah, I don't know what they call these, but I made me and Bay one. I thought it was cute. And this is us, the final and finishing look with our outfits together. So I also plan to start a series on TikTok and Instagram on how we get dressed, how we come up with our outfits and stuff like that. So make sure y'all follow me for that and subscribe to my channel. I love y'all all so much, and I'm out. Bye.